Hello dear friends, welcome to Royal Palace PU College online classes. Dear friends, in the previous class we have started with the topic that is injective and surjective. Now what do you mean by this injective? Injective itself is nothing but our 1-1 function. Whereas surjective means what it is? It is nothing but our onto function. In the previous class we had seen about what is the definition of our 1-1 function. What do you mean by 1-1 here? 1-1 means for every okay, let us have a function from a to b. Okay, let us have a function from a to b, f from a to b, f from a to b. Let us have elements here 1 2 3 4 a b c d. For every element of the set a, okay, for every element of the set a we are having an image, we are having different elements of the set a is having a different image in the set b. For example, here we can observe this problem. F of 1 equal to a we have, f of 2 equal to c, f of 3 equal to b, and f of 4 equal to d. Okay, here it is an 1-1 function. If suppose we have okay, we have this of a mapping of this particular kind. Here we can observe that f of 2 equal to f of 3, which is equal to the value is b itself. Here it is not an 1-1 function. It is not an 1-1 function. Therefore what it says is every different elements of the set A is having a different image in the set B. That is nothing but our 1-1 function. Okay, so for every different f of 1 should not be equal to f of 2 and so on here. Now here for solving the problem we are making use of the contrapositive, that is nothing but we are taking it as f of x1 equal to f of x2. Let f of x1 equal to f of x2. We have to show that x1 is equal to x2. If these both are not equal, then we say it is an not 1-1 function. This is all about the 1-1 function, dear friends. Similarly for the onto function, it is also called as surjective function. Now what do you mean by this surjective here? For different elements of the set A, set B, okay, different elements of the set B, okay, all the elements of the set B is an image of the elements of the set A. That means if suppose we can observe that every element is an image of some element in the set A, that is nothing but our onto. If suppose we are having here E, one more element is there, we can observe that every element of the set B is not an image. Why? Because E is not an image of any element of the set A. Therefore it is not an onto function. So here what we require here? We require here every element of B should be an image of the set A. Then only it is an onto function. Here this particular example 1 2 3 4, this particular mapping f from A to B, we can observe that it is both 1-1 as well as onto function. Okay, now we may take one more example. For example here for 5 we are taking, and here D E F we are taking 5 to E. Here this particular function is 1-1 function. Why it is 1-1? Different elements of the set A is having a different image in the set B, but it is not an onto function. Why it is not onto? Because here f is an image. Okay, f is an image that doesn't have any element, that doesn't have any mapping in the set A. Therefore it is not an onto function. Okay, now if I remove this f here, we can observe that it is both 1-1 as well as onto. But to solve the problems, how we are solving? For every y belongs to B, for every y, these all elements, let us take as y, belongs to the set B, there exists at least x belongs to A. For every elements of the set B, there exists at least one element in the set A, that is x belongs to A, such that f of x equal to y. Then only we say that it is an onto function. Now dear friends, this is all about the recap of the basic definition, that is injective and surjective. Now let us move on with a very simple example asked for 2 marks in your annual examination question paper, that is Karnataka State BU Board, for 2 marks in the March 2019 question paper. Now what is that particular question? So that the function f from n to n. What do you mean by n here? Here the n, that is the domain. Here the set A was the domain, B was the codomain. Here n is nothing but domain, and n is nothing, here second n is nothing but codomain. Given by f of x equal to 2x is 1 1. Okay, we have to show that it is 1 1 but not 1 2, but not 1 2. Sometimes in the examination question paper he might have asked you verify means what? You have to verify whether it is 1 1 or on 2 or whether yes or no. That we have to find out. Okay, now let us move on with the example. What is the given function here? F from n to n. Okay, for 1 1, for 1 1. Now what we have for 1 1? What is the f of x given? F of x equal to 2x. And what is the function here? F from n to n he has given. These are all the given data. Now we can observe here for 1 1 what we have? For 1 1, what is the definition? If f of x1 equal to f of x2, let f of x1 equal to f of x2. Now what is the f of x1 here? F of x means what? In the place of x, just substitute x1. That is what we get here, 2x1 equal to 2x2. Here 2 to get eliminates. So what is the remaining part? That implies x1 equal to x2. So now for what we have taken? We have taken f of x1 equal to x2. According to the definition, we have shown that x1 equal to x2. We have shown that x1 equal to x2. Therefore, what we can say? Therefore, f is 1 1 function. 1 1 function. Okay. Here, we have to go on to the basics also. We have to go on to the basics also. Then only we can understand all these things. Okay. That means, for example, if we are taking the n here, that implies the set n here, domain, and next another one n, that is codomain. If we have 1 2 3 4, n means natural number, it is 1 2 3 4. For x equal to 1, y value what we have? 2x. 1 means here 1 2 3 4 5 we are taking like so on. For 1 we are having 2 2 4 3 6 and so on. For different images of the, for different values of the set A, we have the different image in the set B. Like that also we can understand here. But while solving the problem, this particular method we have to apply here. Now the second one, important one, onto function. For onto function, what is the definition? For every y belongs to the set B. Here the y we are taking set B because the function was from f from A to B. A to B. Here B is nothing but our codomain. A is nothing but our domain here. That means here for every y belongs to, here what we have? N. That is codomain. Okay. Why? Because both are same. N to n we have. This is our codomain and this is our domain. Here we are taking set B. That is nothing but our codomain here. Okay. For every y belongs to B. Okay, then what we can write here is y equal to f of x. What we know? Y equal to f of x equal to, what is the value here? F of x equal to 2x. Okay, now y equal to, what do you mean by here? 2x. That implies x value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, that is x equal to y by 2. My dear friends, what is the x value now? Y by 2. What we require? For every, if y belongs to B, then there exists at least x belongs to A we got. In the same manner, x equal to y by 2, does it belongs to the domain? Does it belongs to the domain? Now, how do we say it belongs to the domain here? If suppose it does not belongs to domain, why I am telling it does not belongs to domain? If suppose, because if y equal to 2 by 3, okay, if y equal to 2 by 3, that implies x equal to value ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, y equal to 2 by 3 means here 2 by, so what is the value here? 2 by 3 into 2, 6. Does that belongs to n here? That is, does that belongs to domain n? So here 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. Is it a natural number? Dear friends, it is not a natural number. Therefore, what we can say here, therefore f is not onto function. Therefore, what we can say here, f is not an onto function. Dear friends, it is a very, very simple problem. Just we have to analyze. In general also we have to think, depending on the basis of the definition of 1 1 as well as onto. Okay, dear friends, please pause the video to note it down. Okay, dear friends, now let us start with the exercise 1.2 related to our injective and surjective function. Now, what is this particular example? Let us say the first one. is the function. That means we have to check here whether this function f from n to r, here n means what? Natural number. Domain is a natural number and the codomain is our set of all real numbers. Defined by f of x equal to 1 by x is 1, 1 and onto. We have to check whether it is injective or surjective or not. Okay, fine. Let us observe the problem. So what he has given for 1, 1, for 1, 1 function. For 1, 1 function what it is, let us observe here. Now what it is, so let f of x1 equal to f of x2. That implies what we have here, f of x1 means 1 by x1 equal to 1 by x2. Now if I cross multiply here, cross multiplying means what we get here, x2 equal to x1. That implies x1 equal to x2. Therefore f is 1, 1 function. Therefore f is 1, 1 function. Therefore f is 1, 1 function. Okay, fine. This is quite simple and easy problem. Now let us move on with the for onto. For onto. Onto is also known as surjective function. Now what we have onto, let us observe here. So now for every y belongs to codomain. Codomain means what we have? R. Codomain, all right. Codomain. There exist, okay, that implies y means what it is, y equal to f of x. What is the f of x value here? 1 by x. Y equal to f of x equal to 1 by x. That implies if I cross multiply here, what we get here, x equal to 1 by y. Does it belongs to what it is? Domain. What is the domain here? N. Does it belongs to the domain? Now observe here whether it belongs to or not. We can take a simple example. For example, if y equal to, if I take, okay, does not belongs to n I am taking. Why? Because if y equal to 1 by or 2 by 3, okay, y equal to 2 by 3, or else you can take 3 by 2, nothing wrong in that. That implies x is equal to what we have here. If I substitute y equal to 2 by 3 means what happens? That is 3 by 2. Now does it belongs to n here? Does it belongs to n? 3 by 2 is not a natural number. Therefore what we can tell? Not onto function. Therefore it is not an onto function. Why it is not onto? Because 3 by 2 it is not a natural number. Okay, dear friends, it may be it may be a rational number, but it is not an, okay, it may be a real number, but it is not a natural number. Therefore it is not an onto function. It is a very, very simple problem asked in your question paper. Now therefore the given function is 1, 1 but not onto. Okay, dear friends, now let us start with the second question. What is the second question here? Check the injective and surjective of the function, given function. Okay, we will have a lot of sub examples here. F from n to n. What is the function here? F from n to n, natural number to natural number, defined by f of x equal to x square. Okay, let us start here. For 1, 1 function. 1, 1. We may observe that this x, it is only a natural number. Here we can observe that the domain, it is nothing but only a natural number. And here codomain, what is the value? Y equal to x square here. F of x means what here? F of x means y. That is nothing but here codomain values. The values are x square here. So here for, that is f of x1 equal to f of x2. That implies what we have here? That is x1 square equal to x2 square. If I am removing square, we will have here plus or minus, but I am not going to take plus or minus. Why? Because since what we can write, since x belongs to natural number, since it is a natural number, therefore x is always positive. Therefore x is always a positive number. So what we can write directly, that is nothing but here x1 equal to x2. Therefore what we have? Therefore f is 1, 1 function. Therefore f is 1, 1 function. If suppose here in the place of n we are having something called as integers. Integer means we can observe that f of 2 value is, we can observe that f of 2 value will be 4 and f of minus 2 value will also be 4. Okay, f of 2 value is 4 and f of 2 value minus 2 is also equal to 4. But x1, that is 2, is not equal to minus 2. Therefore it is not an 1, 1 function. when, if suppose in the place of n you are having integer z, or if you have a real number, that time it is not an 1 1 function. But since what he has given that it is a natural number, therefore it is an 1 1 function. Now for onto function, onto function. Now what we have for onto function, let us observe here. Let us take a simple example, that is, let, okay, for every y belongs to the codomain. What is the codomain here? That is natural number. Codomain. For every y belongs to the codomain, what we have? That implies here, what I can write here? Y equal to f of x equal to, that is, x square. So that means what we have? Y equal to x square means, okay, that implies x equal to root y. X equal to plus or minus root y. Now, does it belongs to the n? N means what here? The domain. N means here the domain. N means the domain here. Now, does that belongs to n? If you take, for example, if y equal to, if I take y, you can take any number, that is, you can take it as 2. That implies x equal to what is the value? Root y means root 2. Does it belongs to n here? Root 2, is it a natural number? It is not a natural number. What it is? It is an irrational number. Therefore, it does not belongs to the n. Therefore, what we can tell here? Therefore, f is not onto function. Therefore, f is not onto function. Okay, dear friends, is it clear, everyone? You can, instead of 2, you can write any values also. You can take it as a minus 2 also. You can 3, 4, 5, any values you can take. Nothing wrong with that. It is just a simple example to say that it is not an onto. For what purpose I am taking this example? Because to show that it does not belongs to n here. We are having a variables, okay, root wise and variable here, okay. To say that exactly whether it belongs to n or not, that's why I am taking simple examples here. Okay, you can take different examples also, nothing wrong in that. Okay, dear friends, please pause the video to note it down. Okay, dear friends, let us move on to the next problem, that is a function defined by f from z to z. That is, z to z means what we have? That is integers to integers, defined by f of x equal to x square. The previous problem, it was from natural number to natural number. Now let us check for the 1 1 function. 1 1 function. Dear friends, be attentive. That is f of x1 equal to f of x2. That implies here x1 square equal to x2 square. That implies here x1 is not equal to x2. Why I am taking x1 is not equal to x2 means we have to take a simple example for this. What it is? If let 2 comma minus 2 belongs to z. 2 comma minus 2 belongs to the domain z. Here we can observe f of 2 equal to 4 equal to f of minus 2. We can observe that f of 2 equal to f of minus 2. What we have the example? Okay, regarding the 1 1 means what we have? Different elements of the set A is having different images. But we can observe that f of 2 and f of minus 2 are same. Therefore, that implies what we can write here? 2 is not equal to minus 2. Therefore, f is not 1 1. F is not 1 1 function. Okay, dear friends, it is a very simple example. What it is? F of 2 is not equal, f of 2 is equal to f of minus 2, but 2 is not equal to minus 2. That by the simple example we have taken it. Instead of writing all these things, directly you can write this also. Okay, dear friends, it is not compulsory to write in this particular manner only. You can write this manner also, but it should be very clear. Okay, therefore f is not 1 1. Now for onto function. Now what is that onto function? Let us observe here. That is, let y belongs to the z. Z means what it is? Codomain. Let y belongs to the codomain. Then y equal to what we have? X square we have. That implies x equal to root y. Now does it belongs to root y? Does it belongs to the z? That is a domain. Root y Does it belongs to the domain? No, it does not belongs to. Why? Because if y equal to 3, okay, if y equal to 3, that implies x equal to root 3 does not belongs to the z. Okay, so here root 3, it is not an integer, therefore not onto function. Therefore it is not an onto. Onto is also called as surjective function. Very, very simple problem. Just we have to observe the function, whether it is natural number or integers, that very, very clearly we have to observe here. Now the next problem. What we have the next problem here? R to R, real number to real number. It is very, very important. Pay attention now. That is for 1 1. One can, it is very, very clear that it is not 1 1. We can take the same example. We can take 2 comma minus 2 belongs to z only. In the place of z, I can take r here. Okay, let 2 comma minus 2 belongs to the real number. Therefore f of 2 equal to f of minus 2. F of 2 value is 4. F of 2 value is also minus 4. That implies 2 is not equal to minus 2, where 2 is any real number. In the place of 2 or minus 2, you can take any values. You can take 2 by 3, 3 by 2, any values you can take. Okay, therefore f is not 1 1. Therefore f is not an 1 1 function. Very simple example. So now here what I can do, dear friends, I have taken here example also. That is also right one. Here in the last problem I taken both of it. That is also okay. Make the problem as much as short you want. I think so this method is very, very clear and it is absolutely right for your examination purpose. Only for the particular specific cases it is applicable. Okay. Now for onto. For onto means what it is? Let y belongs to the codomain. Codomain means what it is? Y belongs to the R. R means what it is? Codomain. Let y belongs to the codomain. Now here y is equal to what we have? X square. Y equal to f of x. F of x means what it is? X square. Y equal to f of x equal to x square. That implies y equal to x square. That implies x equal to root y. Now does it belongs to the real number? That is a question. What is the R here? Domain here. R is nothing but here R to R, that is the domain. Does it belongs to or not? That we have to check by giving a simple example. What we can take here, for example, if y equal to minus 3. Of course minus 3 is also real number because it belongs to R here. Y means the set of all y means it is belong to the codomain. So obviously it belongs to R here, that is codomain. Now that implies x value what we get? X equal to what we have? Root of y. Root of y means root of minus 3. Now what is the value for the root of minus 3? We have to go back to our first year. That is nothing but our root of minus 1. That is nothing but our complex number. Now therefore it does not belongs to the real number because complex number is another set of number. Therefore here we can observe that x equal to root y does not belongs to the R. So therefore f is not onto function. So here we can observe that it is neither 1 1 nor onto. Okay dear friends, so here to say that it is 1 1 or onto, we can give lot of examples, but to say that it is not onto or not 1 1, only one simple example is sufficient. Okay dear friends, please pause the video to note it down. In the next session we shall start with the examples related to our 1.2. Thank you friends.